This is the section about grouping notes and rests. Read the first 2 pages very carefully. First section about grouping notes. The second section about stems. Look how the 2 stems going down and one going up, and they're all pulled together like that, taking into account what suits most of them. Those 2 notes together, for example, are slightly lower on the stave, so you'd put the stems up rather than down. I think you can see that. As it says here, the first note wins because it is further from the middle line of the stave, so you put the stem going up. And then there's the section on rests. Look and read and think about how to do a complete bars rest, then how to do rests which take up half a bar, then how to do rests which are only 1 beat. It is so very important to show a beat, or even in this case here, half a beat, because it's easier for the performer to read. There we go. You wouldn't put that quaver rest, so to speak, across the middle of half the beat. You read them and work out what to do. And of course, don't put a whole row of small rests together, group them together into beats like that. Look at that and that, for example, as well. You read it and think yourself. So, these 3 quavers are grouped together. Those there are not 2 notes when played, but 1 note, so you write them as 1 note, and so on. Same thing there. A quaver plus a crotchet, of course, is a dotted crotchet. Right, look at this. I imagine that, like that, 3 quavers together, you could put what is equivalent to 3 quavers together here, but I personally would do those 2 semiquavers together, and then separately those 2 quavers, with the stems going up for the semiquavers and down for the 2 quavers. This here is too many small rests, so we do a crotchet rest in there instead. Here in 3/4 you want to show the beat clearly, so those 2 quavers are beamed together and that one is a separate one, as is that. That there is a quaver. That looks ridiculous. You put the quaver rest after that and then 2 crotchet rests, just like the example shown here. This triplet here, the 3 quavers are beamed together in 1 straight line, and the only other alteration is here. We have to put a line across there, with of course a small line there to show the semiquaver, just like this example here. With this one, we beam together above, stems going up, in other words, the first 3 semiquavers, because with that rest they make 4. Then the next 4 semiquavers, again with the stems going up. You could do these 4 with 1 beam, but I think I would tend to do 1 there and 1 there. Those 4 beamed together, those 4 are beamed together, those 2 are beamed together, and that is a single crotchet rest. By the way, on the next page, this of course is a dotted minim, etc., etc.